All right, hey guys. Just wanted to show this quick video, shoot this quick video for y'all. Um, on how to find support and resistance. Really simple stuff for us. We have three rules I kind of use. And support resistance. I'm just gonna go through them real quickly. I want to make this a long video. All right. So what you look for is one, either a top on our daily chart. So we started at the daily, right? So we see highs here. It couldn't break. Then we go below, and what rule number two is, you just look for multiple wicks in the same price area, right? So that's another support and resistance, right? Multiple touches here, right? Then we go down to a 4 hour, which are going to be still support resistance zones in it, in between the daily zones that are not as, I want to say, important, but they still are major support resistance zones. So you just go from wick to wick, from the body to the end of the wick, right there. And I always change the colors just to make sure that I know which support resistance I'm looking at. Really simple. I mean, you can go to your settings on the training view chart, click on the box, click your different color. I like to use yellow for 4 hour, red for the daily. Right, and that's pretty much it. But I have another rule. This is rule number three, is I use the Ichimoku cloud, right? But I take my conversion line off, my baseline off, my lagging span off. And if you really don't understand Ichimoku, I can go further into that if y'all have any questions. But what it does is Ichimoku kind of shows the trend. Um, if it's consolidating, it's going kind of sideways. If it's an uptrend, you see the green cloud on the top, red cloud underneath, right? And whenever it flips, so the red cloud is up top, green clouds are below. All that means is that it's going into a downtrend. And if you get a full break on either way, another reason for you to get an uptrend. Right. And so with the Ichimoku, what I was saying is you can find more support and resistance when you see a flat red line, right? As you see here, you have multiple touches in this price, wasn't able to break, right? It likes to come through and break and then drop again. And there's support and resistance lines. You see multiple wicks here, support and resistance. All right, so I know you're probably asking what is support and resistance on trading. So it's just where price has touched multiple times, as you see here, and is either can break that price or likes to come to and touch that price and test that price multiple times. So, perfect example on the downtrend, right? We're just looking at the actually looking at the Nasdaq 100, right? So you see a break below your support and resistance line. It comes retest that support and resistance area and then drops, right? So a lot of times it might not come all the way back, but you do see a support resistance here. Okay, got multiple touches. Right? It did break a little bit higher, but did not close above the support resistance line. So it came back and retested, and now it's dropping again. Could be a validation for a good trade for the Nasdaq 100, but I wouldn't trade it unless you're in the US market. Um, that's a great example for an uptrend. We got right here, cutting multiple touches in a zone, this area, support and resistance line, we like to call it, right? Dropped to another support resistance line, broke through. And the reason why we say this is a stronger support resistance because it broke through, came back and touched multiple times in this area, in this zone. Circle it out for you here. Multiple touches in the zone before it shot back up. So very important zone here. So that is pretty much all my rules. So remember, first rule is you look for a high and a low on the daily. We price open and close on the daily. Second is you look for multiple wicks in a certain area. I mean, in the further you look left, you'll see more wicks and more wicks, right? So wicks is all wicks is right here. You see a full candle here, and you see like these itty bitty lines. That's a wick, right? So price came into this area, touched this area, and could not fulfill a close in this area. So that's a wick. That's all a wick is, right? Then rule number 3 is if we get lost, fine, go to your settings. Your indicators on here on your trading view. All right, look up Ichimoku. All right, Ichimoku cloud. Here you go. Mine's already starred. So when you click on it, you're able to start, which means, of course, favorite. All right, and I would definitely just get a free subscription to TradingView. Really amazing. Or download the MetaTrader 4 when you looking into trading. If you have more questions about, starting an account, opening an account, all the other stuff, I will be more than happy to shoot a video showing you how to do that, how to look for different crosses. This is more just some basics that I promised I was going to put out for you, for your support and resistance line. But that is pretty much it today. Thank y'all for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, like, all that good stuff like everybody else says. And y'all have a blessed week. Great trading, everybody. Appreciate it all the support. Let me know what you need in the comment box below. What videos or what questions you have for trading, and I'm going to attempt to answer all of them, okay?